say a story about the tiger and the woodpecker. Once a tiger was eating. A bone got stuck in his teeth. He tried hard to take the bone out. A woodpecker saw and asked, "What is the matter, tiger?" Then the tiger pointed to his teeth. The woodpecker said, "I'll take the bone out of the condition you give a piece of the food you eat." The tiger agreed, and the woodpecker took the bone out with a sharp beak. Then, once a tiger was eating, the woodpecker said, "Give me my share, tiger." But the tiger refused and said, "You should be thankful, woodpecker, that I didn't kill you when you entered my mouth." Then the woodpecker got angry with the tiger. Then the woodpecker pecked one of the tiger's eye. Then the tiger roared with pain. Then said the woodpecker, "You should be thankful, tiger, that I didn't blind of you both eyes. Thank you."